guys, come with me to Miami. This was a 3-day trip, so bear with me because I feel like we did so much. I was obsessed with this bathroom. It's really giving Miami. Landed early morning, so we decided to obviously head straight out, and the first place on the list was the Versace restaurant, hotel, whatever it's called. Obviously it's so beautiful. It's a must to do. We actually booked a table very last minute. Just before we left the hotel room, I just went online and they had tables, so we actually got lucky, and it was so pretty there. So 10 out of 10, I would definitely recommend. And then we just decided to obviously just walk down South Beach. It's so surreal for me to actually be here. It's been my top bid since I got the US visa, and obviously it's been my bucket list destination for the longest time ever. So I'm so happy to finally be here, and it's just as pretty as I imagined. Now the weather was honestly so hot. I'm used to Dubai summer, but it's just like the heat of the actual sun that was crazy. And then we just headed back to the hotel and we decided to go out, obviously at 2:30. Couldn't really tell you where we went. We went for this dinner, and then we ended up on some party bus, and it just went off. It's out in Miami, it's actually crazy. The next day I woke up to this beautiful view. Honestly, this is amazing. Like, it feels like I'm literally on holiday. Quick outfit of the day, and we decided to take the bike. The hotel gives you the bikes for free for 2 hours, so of course we had to make the most of it. At some point we literally just went all the way down the beach to South Beach, and then cycled all the way through down here, and then obviously we had to go get breakfast. So we decided to go to an acai spot that one of the crew had been to before. Plus, guys, I was severely hungover on this day because I don't think I got in till super early hours of the morning. So when we got back to the hotel, I passed out. Then the next day we actually had a turnaround to Bogota, and then we do come back to Miami for another day. So when we landed from Bogota, we headed straight out because it was going to be our last night. We went to Rosa's Sky, I think. It's like a rooftop bar in Brickell. And then it just went downhill from there. Don't ask me how. We ended up at some strip clubs. I can't really put the videos in because it's not PG. It is honestly one of the craziest nights. Like, Miami is just so much fun. But it's also so crazy because I'm used to Dubai, and it's the difference is actually crazy. So when we got back from a night out, I think we got back at like 6 a.m. We decided to watch the sunrise because we were right on the beach. Went straight in our outfits. We sat on the sand, and then we actually did go swimming. Yes, I swam in my dress, and to be honest, I didn't really care because we're not walking far. Like, the hotel is literally 2 steps away, and we're in the hotel. Slept for maybe a whole of 2 hours, and again, like I said, because it was our last day, we headed out for breakfast, and then we wanted to do some shopping. I was way too hungover for the shopping to actually hit, so I didn't buy much. I just did some damage in Sephora, but that's just pretty obvious. And then when we got back, we just decided to do one last bike ride because, again, to make the most of it. It's very hard to get Miami, so I don't ever want to stay in my room. I was really tired. I was probably too tired to do this, but made the most of it. I had a bike ride, and then